Hello guys, good morning. Couldn't sleep well last night. I don't know, because maybe I went for sleeping for a bit late because of the classes and the IELTS listening test. I'm feeling sleepy now, and I woke up and took my sehri and completed my fajr salah, and now I'm going to sleep. I need to get sleep well, otherwise I'll fall sick, so I have to sleep. And I don't know, I can sleep good quality, I can get good quality sleep, but I will try. And probably you can hear the bird are chirping now, and it's already time to sunrise. It's now 5:15, so it's early in the morning, and now I'm going to sleep. Okay, so I'm going to sleep maybe for 5 to 6 hours. As long as I sleep, I can't say I will get 6 hours or 5 hours sleep, but what I need is a quality sleep. No matter it's 4 hours or 5 hours, I will cover it tomorrow maybe. Okay, so I will talk to you after some hours, after I wake up. Okay, bye. Just finished taking IELTS listening test, and today I managed to score 33 correct answers, which means 7.5. It's not bad, it's good. And today I took the exam from Cambridge IELTS Academic 12, and the test is test 5, and I gave it few days back, and I scored 31 at that time, and now today I scored 33. It's good. It's a beautiful place. I'm enjoying it very much. The sound of the water in the river is quite pleasant to hear. Just broke my fast, and today I ate black rice and veggies, and I spent a quality time in the Riverside. It was very pleasant to go there. Hopefully I can go again next time whenever I came in here. So it's just finish practice Microsoft Word, and then I study for some time, and after that I tried to create a website. Though I didn't complete the website, I only managed to create some sections, and now I'm going to sleep. I have to sleep because last night I didn't got I could sleep, so I have to sleep now, and it's very early, but I have to sleep. And also I'm going back in my home tomorrow, hopefully in the afternoon, and we'll meet again, and I will upload the updates tomorrow. And my today's weight is also unchanged. It's 92.9 kgs. I'm thinking to reduce more calorie intake, because for the last 4 days, maybe 4 days, my weight is the same, it's not changing. So I think I have to cut even more calories, because I think after I came in here I am taking more calories, so I have to cut that. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe, and if you have any suggestion, please comment. It will help me to improve my content. So no more today, and I will update you guys again tomorrow. Till then, stay tuned.